Hello to all the employers. Good day. My name is Eleanor Gasilios Kalimot from Philippines, 37 years old, married. I have 5 kids and they are all boys. I have a work experience abroad. It was 2016 to 2018 in Saudi Arabia. I work as a nanny of 2 years old and I also a house helper as well. By 2018 to 2020, I was working in the UAE um, as a house helper of 5 family member. 2020 to 2022, at the same country, UAE, I was working as a nanny of twins, infant, and also helping my colleagues to do household chores. I serve 5 members of the family. My main duty is to ensure the baby's safety and the cleanliness. And also, I can do household chores such as car washing, cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, washing the clothes, marketing, and also I can cook Arabic food basic. And if you will hire me, I will assure you that I am flexible with all my duties and responsibilities together with the hard working and dedications as best as I can. Thank you and God bless you.